Hi guys, welcome this morning. Today I'm having a breakfast. This is the porridge. I'm having a porridge. Then I'm having the last batch of my traditional, the kumkum. The Yoruba people calls it pangolo. The kumkum, the tin beans cake, aka mai mai. On the Igbo tribe we call it mai mai, while the Yoruba tribe calls it moi moi. So I'm eating the last batch, and I have this huge urge to make this filming this last delicacy, because I didn't film myself eating it, but I made a video of how to prepare it. But today I'm making a video of how I'm going to be munching it, as my breakfast meal. Okay, guys. So I'm going to be downloading this. This is chocolate, more like this one is from this one, though chocolate flavor spread. It's a chocolate spread, but I've come to find a way of putting it in my quick oatmeal to give it that new color chocolatey taste. So I'm adding just one scoop here, and I'm good to go, guys. So just a little mix. A little goes all the way. So guys, my breakfast today can never be completed without this lovely Bollywood music. There's so much story behind this music. Maybe in another video I'm going to tell it all, but today I'm going to be playing it while I'm munching my food, to add spice to this food. Okay, guys. So I'm going to place it here. I watch the Lord opened up this thing. There is so much to this thing than what the eyes see. There's so many. Oh Mary, how to be. Oh Mary, back to me. Sajiraji, bani na raji. Bani na raji. Bani na raji. Bani na raji. Apukaje divana, apukanaje divana. Raji na raji, raji na raji, raji na raji, bani raji na raji, apukanaje divana, apukanaje divana. So I'm going to stop and eat the food, because I can go on and on singing it and I'll abandon my food. Okay, guys, this is the content for today, as the Lord wants me to do it. So guys, I'm munching, yummy, yummy, yummy. You see the chocolatey spread on this giving it that brownish look, and that's just the way I want it. Can I think Jessica, oh my many Osika. Guys, this is so yum. So guys, we have seen this is the part the Lord wants us to sing, okay? So now why I enjoy the food. The last batch of the mai mai I made, the heavenly mai mai, the award-winning mai mai, the $1 million mai mai. So this is the content for today. Mukbang with mai mai, with beans cake and oatmeal and quick oats. So yum. So yum. Delicious. Guys, there are different things way to prepare this moi moi and different way to package it. Some people do package it in leaves and with the special leaf, and with that leaf it has a special taste it brings out in that leaf. The people do package their moi moi in foil and before preparing it, and some people do package it in a plastic bag, but I will always go for the traditional, the original method that in my house we were known for many years ago. It's from, you know, the tin milk. Those days when we buy the tin milk, we open it up round and then wash it. So whenever we want to prepare the mai mai, want to pack the mai mai in, we get the tin milk and put it in, which is the most easier and the fastest way, stress-free. All you need to do is to put it inside the pot, pour in water and leave it boiling, and then it always come out with this shape. Yeah, whenever you finish preparing it and then you want to bring it out, just take your knife and follow trace the roundness. Put the knife inside the tin and just follow the roundness of the tin. After that, you just turn it over and wash it out. You are good to go. It will just come out as clean, no breakage, just the pattern, the form you wanted it. That's form, that cake looking form, it will just come out like that, guys. So guys, this is my mukbang for today, and the theme for today is this Bollywood song. I wanted to share the story of this movie and this song in this video, but I'm going to talk about it, generalize it in other video, all the Bollywood songs and movies that were connected to me, the reason they were connected to me, and what they actually represent in my life. But today the star of this video is this beans cake, and now we are not going to shift it away from this beans cake. Guys, I'll stop here. Until next time, it's always weird, the type of videos that I make. You may not really understand, but they have meanings to everything I do. Guys, until then I say bye bye. So I'm turning it off.